All right, so we are 12 minutes away from the open. DAX has indeed sold off from here down. Guess could have been a nail and bail if I wanted to trade it, which I did not. Um, we have the 1, 2. I'm looking for a third push up. It looks like it might be a bit tight, and the pattern is not that clean. We might get a 1, 2, and then the third is very tight here. It's still possible we're in a larger 1, 2, and then the third was going to be much later. That is also a possibility. So what am I going to do? I'm going to, the one that's closer to being a setup is the FTSE, so I'm going to be watching the FTSE. Everything else has disappeared into nothingness. Well, my trading buddy, his opinion is we have peak formations facing down. So we might be looking at an explosive move back up with this being potentially dump, coil, pump, which could be a case. One, two, three. One, two. This looks like a potential exhaustion move, but it's the open, so you're always careful with that idea. It looks like we are really pumping, gonna pump up higher. That's what I feel. FTSE trigger previous day's high. So I'm looking at the DAX and I'm looking at the FTSE 1, 2, 3, and I'm really not clear which one to pick. We are at breakout level, but it looks really like a pump, dump, and then pump template. Where's the FTSE, which is at previous day's high and is not pushing higher. But at the same time, we have not a clear, clean template on the FTSE either. See, we had that, then we broke out, break out again. Two, three, up, two, three. fact that it didn't engulf, I immediately got bought up. That puts me on the edge. Not sure what to make of it. It tries again. And one, two, the small three, the 1, 2, 3 finisher at the breakout level. After 1, 2, 3, which is not that clean. Another 1, 2, 3 here. First 50-minute bar is finished. That was the 50-minute bar here. We closed above the breakout level. Hmm. FTSE's pushing higher. Still within that range I mentioned before, but I'm not clear on the DAX, so I'm staying away. Review it later if it does set up. Off is 1, 2, 3, boom, low of day.